FreedomCare app. This video will walk you through how to clock out and submit your weekly timesheet. Remember, you will only submit your weekly timesheet on your last visit of the week. Step 1. Log into the app using your caregiver code and password. Step 2. On the main screen, you'll see the Clock In/Out button. Go ahead and tap it. Once you're on that screen, you'll see your scheduled visits and their times. Step 3. Find the visit you are clocked in for, select it, and tap Clock Out at the bottom. Step 4. The next screen will bring up your weekly timesheet. It will show all the information related to your visits, including the patient's name, date, scheduled start and end times, and your clock in and clock out times. Step 5. Any unconfirmed visits will be marked with a red triangle icon, and the message "Clock Out Time" is required in red. Tap Clock Out, verify the time by selecting it, and if needed, adjust it manually to reflect the correct time. Then tap Select to save. Once confirmed, the red triangle will change into a green circle, indicating the time has been successfully recorded. Step 6. In the same visit, you will also see a button for duty codes. Go ahead and tap it. This is required, and you must select the duties you performed for the patient each day. For this example, I helped them get ready for the day, prepped some meals, and cleaned their house. Select Yes for these duties, then tap Done. Step 7. Follow the same steps for any remaining visits that need a clock in or clock out to ensure all visit times are confirmed and display a green circle, and all duty codes are also green. Step 8. Once all times and duties have been confirmed, scroll down to the validation section. Step 9. Tap the button that says Caregiver Signature. Go ahead and sign, then tap Save. Step 10. Tap the Patient Signature button and have the patient sign, then tap Save. Step 11. Scroll to the bottom of the page, past the timesheet agreements. If everything looks correct, tap Submit. You are now successfully clocked out and have submitted your weekly timesheet. Clocking in and out on time is essential to meet FreedomCare's 90% accuracy standard. Falling below this may result in disciplinary action and could affect your eligibility to continue in the program. Accurate timekeeping also ensures FreedomCare remains compliant with Department of Health and federal regulations.